Welcome back to another edition of Ask Fenceman Dan. What is the proper way to install a fence post? In our climate in the upper Midwest, we do concrete set all of our posts because it is a predictable solution. So we want it to be stable, we want it to be straight and not wobble or move. And so concrete setting is a tried and true method, and it's been done for many decades. There's another school of thought where some of our competitors and some other fence contractors are driving posts and then eliminating concrete altogether. This puts the homeowner at risk. And the reason it does is because fences can lean and wobble in the wind, and soil, as we all know, can be soft if we get a lot of rain. Also, in the freeze-thaw cycle, the soil can move, and that affects the fence. So concrete setting is a tried and true method. That's the one you want to go with. Some manufacturers of fence products specify that all their posts get installed in concrete, and they will warranty that, and they won't warranty anything else. So keep that in mind when you're purchasing a long-term product. For more information, as always, go to MidwestFence.com. Thanks for watching.